Sup guys, Francis Roman here again. Welcome back to my another new video. New tutorial right here. Today I'm gonna be teaching you the new freeze transition from shoulder to baby freeze, alright? Guys, if you haven't learned any shoulder freeze yet, I advise you to go and check out my previous tutorial on how to shoulder freeze and baby freeze. Go check out other tutorial because I didn't make any baby freeze tutorial for you guys. And guys, I want to clarify something. If you want to learn this freeze transition, you're gonna have to master baby freeze and shoulder freeze, okay? Without those two freezes, you cannot do this transition, okay? Before I start the tutorial, guys, please hit that subscribe button, hit that like and share to your friends, and drop a comment on what tutorials you want to see right next. Guys, please do follow my Instagram. And please subscribe to my music channel. I do a lot of music, bro. Why am I doing this episode? I told you guys, if you guys drop a comment or DM me your ideas, I'm gonna take a look on that, bro. So congratulations to William. He wants me to do like a lot of transition, but I'm gonna separate it into one by one, alright? So without any further ado, guys, I'm gonna start this transition right here. Super easy. I hope you guys can learn it in 5 minutes. Simple, easy. Guys, before we do anything, the same thing as usual, warm up, man. Without warm up, you're dead. First of all, shoulder freeze, do it right now. It doesn't matter which side are you, just do it, the domain side, okay? I'm gonna do the right side. Right here, shoulder freeze. All I need you to do is just use your leg to kick up, bounce up, so you can get the force to let your hand go to a chair. Alright, I'm gonna demo 1, 2, 3. Okay, I am actually going to a chair freeze right there just now. That thing was shoulder to chair. Okay, again. Alright, shoulder to chair. So, can you do from a chair to baby freeze? Easy, right? This is a chair. This is a chair. Go to baby freeze. Isn't it? It is the same thing. So now, you're gonna go straight from shoulder to your baby freeze. Easy, right? Isn't it simple? Pretty easy. Let me do it again. See? Okay. One thing I want you to learn is to kick your leg up to gain more force to go into the baby freezing chair. The second thing I need you to learn is you gotta master shoulder freeze very well so you can actually like bounce up using your shoulder, alright? Using your shoulder, bounce up, bounce up, bounce up. You get what I mean? Easy, right? See, wanna go from now I'm doing my left side. If you wanna go from a baby freeze, pull it down, come up, down, come up. Alright? Easy, simple, that's it. It's super simple, easy, and I bet you can learn it in 5 minutes, right? So the key point for you to master this transition is to actually master your baby freeze and your shoulder freeze. That's it. And you're gonna train every day, train more, keep training, go harder, right? So guys, before I end this tutorial, guys, please, if you're new here, if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, hit that subscribe button, hit that like and share to your friends, and drop a comment on what tutorial you want to see right next. Drop a comment below, guys. Guys, follow my Instagram, check out my music channel. I love you guys. Thank you, Froman, for supporting me. I love you, Froman. Peace.